first week at CTC, the students taking the welding class are learning the proper safety methods of welding equipment. The students will spend the next 3 weeks in safety class here. The students will learn how to properly turn on and off the torch and to safely take apart the fuel valves on the tanks and put them back together again. Also, they will learn to properly and safely clean their equipment and how to properly store it. Their instructor, Mr. Quist, has been teaching welding at CTC for more than 14 years. Welding is a necessary skill in many occupations such as truck repair, shipbuilding, farming, just to name a few.